Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Doing Group. So we're gonna to share you about the solar panel recycling equipment. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section, or if you want to know more information, you can leave your comments to us privately. We can send you our catalog and our price list for you. We are the manufacturer of the solar panel recycling equipment. Today we're going to share about how to recycle the solar panel, what is the best ways, and it's more environmental friendly to have this project. And this is a 3D video of the solar panel recycling equipment. You can have a look at this first. I will share you about the details later of the certificate and what raw materials we can use, what products we can get. Any questions if you have, you can leave in the comment section. And let's now first look at the 3D video. So we are doing rope in the manufacture of the waste solar panel with lithium battery or biomass, or like the waste tire with plastic manufacturer. So if you are just looking for a way to process the waste solar panel, or are looking for a part to buy the equipment, we suggest that you can go to see these different factories of the manufacturer, not only to see the production and the manufacturing process, the processing flow, and how to operate sorting efficiency, and also to examine the strengths of the manufacturer. Well, just if you look at these machine, you can also look at there have any engineer and the installation part, the after sale service. So if they have the technical team and help you to drawings, technology development, production team, installation team, it's also very important. You can come to our factory and our workplace. It's in Henan province in China. You can come here to see how we build our factory or the detailed technique. Our factory is located in Henan province in China, and our factory is in Jiaozuo city, covers an area more than 40,000 square meters. And so we have our prototype in our factory to process the solar panel, lithium battery, a PCB board, or some aluminium plastic, aluminium board, and so on. You can send your raw materials to us. We have a service for you. You can test about the raw materials. It can ideal working process, or can reach to your requirements of the working efficiency. Today we're going to share the solar panel recycling equipment. This is a 3D video. You can first look at this to share how to process the scrap solar panel and how we get the lithium and aluminium and copper, glass, plastic from these waste things. We all use the physical processing, so there are no pollution and there are no some environmental things. We don't need to process many just like no, I'm real, not AI. You don't need to process like the purification device. Only a pulses collector is enough. And this is the 3D video of the solar panel processing step. The first device is to scrap, just to remove the aluminium frame, and the second is to crash the glasses. Then we will go into the crushing and separation step to separate the copper, the silicone, and the plastic. So if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section, or if you want to know more information about our equipment, about the price list, the certificate, or our catalog, you can send your private message to us, tell us requirements. Our sales manager can give you this introduction. Or any questions you can leave in the comment section. We are the manufacturer of the solar panel recycling equipment. And also we have the lithium battery recycling plant, these PCB board recycling, and also the waste tire, waste plastic pyrolysis plant, waste oil distillation equipment. All are environmental friendly things and can recycle or reuse the waste things. We use the waste, electricity waste, or the solid waste, hazardous waste, or some daily waste, biomass, and so on. And here there is a separation equipment to separate the copper and the plastic. We will use the air separator and the electrostatic separator. This is a particle. They will go into the electrostatic separator to separate them, and separation rate can reach to 99%. And this is the certificate. It includes the processing step, and the crushing and separation step. And this is a working process. You can see this first one is the aluminium plastic. To remove the aluminium frame, and then this is the second one, to remove the glasses, and the product we get is the particles, not the dust, and the remove rate can reach to 98%. Then we can get the bare board, then go into the crushing and separation step. The first one is the double shaft shredder to crush the particles to 3 to 5 centimeter. And then the second is a hammer blade crusher to crush particles to 1 centimeter. And the third one is the grinder to grind the machine, to grind the particles to the granular shape. And this is outside is the water cooling system to the way we use the recycling water to cool down the machine. And then the particles after grinder will go into the ID vibrating screen. It has 3 layers with two screens. The first one is 50 mesh and second one is 120 mesh. While the particles that not reach to the standard will go back to the grinder. When it can't go through the this two screen, they will go back to the grinder. And the second one is the copper and some plastic. They will go into the air separator and the electrostatic separator to separate. And the third one is kind of silicone. This is several steps that we will recover different particles. The third step is the place that we can get the silicone. And then the copper and the plastic will go to the air separator to separate, and separation rate can reach to 97%. And by using this electrostatic separator, here is the electrostatic separator, and separation rate can reach to 90%. And this is the final products we can get. Well, this machine is without pollution. We all use is the physical production. The only pollution or only waste that we have maybe is the like the dust. So we will use this. This is the post dust collector. Here the post dust collector to recover the dust, and the rate can reach to 99.5. Because the raw material we use is the scrap solar panels, so maybe they will have some dust in the surface. But there are no combustion system, no catalytic we use, or there's no other water pollution. So it's all very environmental friendly, and it's very easy to start this project. Okay, now in the comment section we have our WhatsApp, our email. If you want to know more information, you can add our WhatsApp to get the catalog. The first one is this aluminium frame removing machine, and then the board will go into the gloss removing machine. Then we can get the gloss particles. And about our capacity, most of our customers will choose the 500 kilogram per day per hour, or 1 ton per hour. Or if you want a bigger one or a smaller one, all that can be customized. We can give you the professional proposal after according to your requirements. You can leave your requirements to us in the comment section. Yes, now in the comment place we have our WhatsApp. You can just directly contact with us. And then this is a particle that will go into the hammerblade crusher, crash to nearly 10 millimeter. This is the particles, and then we'll go into the third crushing step, the grinder, to grind them. And this is a wind conveyor, the cyclone conveyor, to convey the particles in a sealed environment. Here is a grinder with the water covered outside, the circulating water that can lower the temperature of this machine. And the water we use are just recycling, and there are no pollution during the production, or they can reuse them for many days. And then also by using the cyclone dust collector, the wind conveyor, particles will go into the ID vibrating screen. They have 3 layers. The first one is the particles that not reach the standard will go back to the grinder. Second one is the copper and plastic, and the third one is the silicone. All the silicone will recycle in this place. Okay, and the copper, aluminium, plastic, will go to the air separator and electrostatic separator to separate them. We can reach the separation rate to 99% with a high separation rate. Here is a 3D layout of your certificate, but this will just compare with your workshop about the placement site. So now the solar panel will have a wide use in our daily life and in this industry. So you can use this to recover them. They have different ways to recycle the solar panel, but like this way, without pollution, and it's very easy to start. We can get a high recovery rate to 99%. Just the copper, aluminium, silicone, glasses, silicone, we all recycle them. Yes, all the sizes in the market we can all recycle by using the one working step. Like the first one is the glass aluminium frame removing machine. Is suitable for the whole sizes of the solar panel. And then we will use this second one, the glass removing machine, to remove the glasses in the surface. And then they will go into the crusher and the separator to separate and get the copper, and the glasses, aluminium, silicone, and aluminium and other products. So if you want to know more information or want to get the price list, get other details, you can send your requirements to us and privately. Our sales manager will contact with you immediately. Yes, it is adjustable about this aluminium frame, and we will have the PLC system to control them automatically. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can leave in the comment section. Now we are introduced about the solar panel recycling equipment. There are many ways to burn them, to other ways, but by this way, this is all physical production. You can see to remove the aluminium frame and to crush them to smaller particles, and then better for us to separate them by using the air separator and the electrostatic separator. And this is the wind conveyor that we can just convey the materials in a sealed environment. So there are no much more pollution. But if you have like some dust during your production, we will have the pulse dust collector and cyclone dust collector to remove them. Pulse dust collector is using a filter bag to remove some smaller particles, small dust, and the cycle dust collector is to just absorb the bigger dust. And about like the noises, there's no noise. It's more lower than 85 dB, so it just can reach to standards like in China. Well, if you are just near the city, just the houses or the cities, then you can just have some the noise proof movement. Or you can just some optional devices like the PCB, or sorry, the PLC. Or if you are in your places, the labor cost is just maybe low, then you can use the workers. Or if you can use the PCB that can all use automatically and save your worker just this labor cost. And let's see there any prototype. And if you want to see about the prototype in our factory or test about your processing rate, you can send your raw materials to our factory, or you can carry them to our factory. It's in Henan province in China. We have a free service to have experiment about your raw materials. Like this is the copper, the glasses we have, the particles, and then same as this. Just the removal rate of the glasses can reach to 98%, and there are no more dust inside, because if there much more dust, it will have influence about the prices and the qualities of the glasses. And here is the silicone, a kind of silver inside. Can sell at a good price. This is a silicone that we will recover in the anti-vibrating screen. Yeah, this is also the silicone, which have the silver. And here is the aluminium frame. Except this aluminium frame, all the other products we get is all the granular shape or particle shape. Here is the board that removes the glasses. We will go into the crushing and separation step. Here is a plastic. In the air separator and the electrostatic separator, we will separate the plastic and the copper. Here is the copper, a red one, granular shape. Well, in China, maybe the copper can sell as 60 to 70,000. Here's kind of products, and then let's say, is there any prototype? Here is a machine that's in our factory. This is aluminium frame that is suitable for whole sizes, and this is the glass removing machine. We will feed the board in a step, and here is a heating zone to remove the glasses and crush them to particles. And outlets is in this step we will collect the glasses, and the board go into this belt conveyor and to the double shaft shredder. Here is aluminium frame that is suitable for the whole sizes. The board and without process. And this is gloss removing machine. Let's see about. This is a double shaft shredder. We have the metal that is H13 alloy can the high quality to crush the raw materials to 3 to 5 centimeter, and the blade inside we can use maybe 3 mounts. It's a spare part, but we don't need to change it very frequently. And this is the generator. You can see here there's the pulses collector. Inside is a filtering bag to collect the dust. The collection rate can reach to 99.5. And this is the hammer blade crusher to crush the particles to maybe smaller than 10 millimeter. Here, a small machine. Yes, and there is a customers just have this. We have just delivered this machine, but also in our factory there have some prototype. You can have a test about the crushing rate, or is it reached to your standard or requirements about the products. This is a free service to you to have a test. If you need this, you can send your raw materials to our factory. We can have a test about this. Or any other questions you want to know about the price list and the quotation, or get our catalog, you can send your requirements to us privately. Or in the comment section, now we have our WhatsApp email. You can add our WhatsApp, and we can just send you about this information to you. Any questions you can just leave in the comment section or send a private message to us. Here is the control panel, a PCB, a PLC system, and this is the crusher, the hammer blade crusher that have the magnets inside with a high quality to crush the materials. Here is a grinder with the water cover outside to lower the temperature, and then the particles will go in this tube and to the ID vibrating screen. You can see they have 3 layers of the ID vibrating screen. This screen is 50 mesh and second screen is 120 mesh. And then in the third layer, this is the outlet to get the silicone. This is the outlet, and next to them is the air separator. Also 2 outlets. One is to separate the copper, to recover the copper, and second is to collect the plastic. Here is a way to outlet to recover the copper. We can show them at the copper recovery market. Can we melt it? The red one, they're all granular shape. And this is a postage collector. Here is the information about the solar panels. And if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. Or if you want to know more about the power motors, the details, you can send your requirements to us privately. Our sales manager will contact with you and send you, or just you can communicate about the details. Okay, and this is all today's information. If there are no more questions, it's time to say goodbye. And today we introduced about the solar panels recycling machine. That tell you the technique and the raw materials and the plastic, the particles, the products. If you want to start this business or interested in this kind of industry, well, you can contact with us. We are the manufacturer of this working line. Our workshop is in Henan province in China. You can come to our factory to see more information about this equipment. If you are looking for the machine, we suggest that you can get the manufacturer. You can just find a manufacturer to have this. They have their own factory, and they have the after-sales service. They have the warranty, the 1-year warranty, and also we have our engineer to help you to install, operate, or train your workers after our machine is sent to your workshop. Okay, then time to say goodbye. Thank you for your watching today. Any questions you have, you can just feel free to ask or add our WhatsApp. Thank you for watching today. Goodbye.